Ndewo, welcome to Igbo Language Simplified. In today's class, it's going to be an extension of the class where we were trying to pick up the individual letters in the alphabet to make up words. While in today's class, we are going to focus on the remaining letters of the alphabet. I will also try to project the alphabets so that you can try to recite it on your own. I tried reciting it before individual, but today I decided to do a different thing altogether. I project it while you try to recite it on your own. Remember, the sounds are under each letter, so the phonetic sounds are under each letter, so it will help you and guide you to recite the letters effortlessly. Okay, this is the complete and comprehensive Igbo alphabet. You can pause or you can screen grab to recite it, and remember to follow the phonetic symbols under each of them to guide you in pronouncing each of the letters accurately. So we move on with the next letter. As we said before, the next letter we try to use it to make words as usual. Okay, the last letter we looked at was the N sound. So today we're going to be continuing with the next letter, which is the ng sound. And we have an Igbo word from ng sound, which we say ngo, and ngo means drink. And the closest sound we can have for this ng sound is the ng sound in sing, sing. Okay, let's look at the next alphabet, which is the ngwe sound. Remember, we don't have a complete ngwe sound in English phonetics, but you can get this sound from the English word noun. The W sound in noun give you the ngwe sound, noun. And we have an English Igbo word, that has that ngwe sound as in nwata, nwata. And nwata means baby in English language. Okay, let's look at the next word. The next letter is nye. Nye sound, and we have an Igbo word from nye that said nyem. Nyem means give me. So the more sound there is it represent me. So we have this sound in the a word Kenya. Kenya, the nye sound in Kenya is giving us the nye sound in Igbo language. So next, let's look at the O sound. O sound, and we have the O sound as in load. English word load have the O sound, and we have an Igbo word for O, which is ogbu, and ogbu means cap. Okay, after the O sound, the next letter is O sound. O, and we have an Igbo word that gives us the O sound as in oku. And like you can see here, oku can mean fire or light. So you can tell someone oku nengu. That means either the fire is burning or the light is on. And we have the O sound in English phonetics, like as in pot, pot, o, oku. Okay, let's get the next letter, which is P sound. P sound. We have a word, an Igbo word from po sound, like as in po, and po means leave, leave. And we have it in English word as in place, the po sound in place. Okay, let's look at the next sound, which is re sound. Re sound. And in the re sound, we have an Igbo word that gives us the re sound, like in raw. And raw is a verb which means work, work. And then we have that sound in the English word like rat, re, rat. Let's quickly look at the next letter, which is se sound. Se sound. We have a word in Igbo which says se, se. You can tell someone se ihe. That means draw something. So say means draw. And we have the C sound in English word sit. sit, se. Okay, we'll move quickly to the next letter, which is sh sound. Sh. We have an Igbo word from the sh sound like in mshiko, mshiko, and mshiko means crab. The same phonetic sound we have in the word sheep, sheep, sh sound, mshiko. Okay, we look at the next letter, which is t sound. And we have an Igbo word from t sound as in ta. Ta means chew. You can tell someone on a tandy, that means the goat or any other animal is chewing food. And then we have an English word that gives us the sound as in tap, tap. Okay, we pick up the next letter, which is u sound, u sound, and then it's giving us a word like ule, and ule means exam. We have that sound in the word, English word put, put. Okay, we look at the next letter, which is O sound. O sound. Remember, we don't have this one in English phonetics, but we have the word in Igbo that give us O sound like oko, and oko means leg. We can also get it in the word which I think is the most familiar word we all are very much used to as the capital of Abia State, Umuahia. Umuahia, O sound, oko, o. Okay, let's get to the next word, which is V sound, V sound. So we have that word in the Igbo word like mvo, mvo, and mvo means comb in English. So we have an English word that brings out that V sound as in vote, vote. Okay, let's look at the we sound, we sound. We have an Igbo word that says were, were, and were means take. You can just present somebody something and say were, that means take. And we have the we sound as in English word week, week. Okay, as we are trying to round off, we get to the second to the last word, which last letter, sorry, which is ye sound. Ye sound, and we have the ye sound as in yabasi, yabasi, and yabasi means onion, onion. We have that ye sound in English word like yam, yam, ye. Okay, the last letter we're going to be looking at today, and which also is the very last letter in the Igbo alphabet, is the Z sound. So we have the Igbo word that gives us the sound as in ziga, and ziga means send. So you can tell somebody ziga letter. That means send letter or send the letter. If you change it to zita, it means send to me, while ziga means send to someone else. So we have the English word that gives us the Z sound as in zebra. Okay, this is the end of our class today. Thanks for watching. Please, if you find this video useful to you, please don't hesitate to subscribe so that you can follow up with my subsequent classes. Thank you. Cody.